Open the transport container, remove the machine, and place it on a flat surface. Remove the battery and position it in the machine so that its controls are freely accessible and the plug connection is on the same side as the connection on the generator. Connect the power cable from the generator to the connection on the battery. Colored dots indicate the correct position. The plugs must be able to be plugged into each other without force. Remove the handle from the transport container and carefully insert it into the lower column of the machine. Turn the clamping lever clockwise to lock the handle in place. Calibrate the machine to the waterproofing membrane used by placing the corresponding stress plate and a piece of the waterproofing membrane to be used in the calibration template. The inductor is then positioned in the calibration template. Turn the machine on at the battery. On the display, select the waterproofing membrane material type and thickness and select Calibration. Press the Start button while the inductor is still positioned in the calibration template as described. Press the Start button to initiate the welding process. The welding process starts automatically when the inductor is positioned correctly over the stress plate. When welding is complete, 2 short beeps will sound. The machine can now be moved. A magnet must be placed on the point that has just been welded. Please refer to the operating instructions supplied with the machine for further information.